talking about Wendy the other night. Friday, no, Thursday night it was bad.
Holy crap.
Oh my God, it was rainy and windy.
Open it. Open it. You'll see when you open it.
I'm so scared.
Overall, I mean, the days are fairly warm. We're moving down into.
Go ahead.
About 40. Some days it's 50, 49, 50. And then it goes into like the 20s.
Come on. This isn't a bug.
You want to use the camera to take pictures?
This is so
I'm recording a video.
Huh?
I'm recording a video.
Why'd you do
A video.
this? Why'd you do this to someone?
I'm recording a video.
I'm playing a video, alright.
Why would you do this to someone? Oh my God. I don't think I want to open it now.
Yeah, you do.
You put it in a lot of boxes. Come on, I'll be really messed up.
I didn't put it in a lot of boxes. It came in a lot of boxes.
Oh my God. It's just like, oh my God, okay.
Still there? Phone died. I went over, obviously, Sam's Club and I got more pillows.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to give you guys the option. I was going to, I figured I'd give some to Sherry and Bob, and then do pillows with Jackie. That way, if she didn't like them, I'd take them back and use them myself. But these are, I'm babbling on here. Just shut up.
Easy.
Well, now you ripped it. Now it's no
Easy.
good. I don't know what it is. I'm just.
Really? Is that bad? Oh, I want to go deep.
Oh.
I don't know what he did. He's ridiculous. Oh my God. This was so mean. Oh. Courtney said you were thoughtful. You're not thoughtful. That's mean.
You know the good part about recording this? I can see exactly how long it took you to open it. It's gonna take you like 20 minutes to open it.
Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Be careful you don't cut yourself.
Oh my God. You better help her. She's gonna cut her finger.
No, I'm not. Alright. You're an ass. You're an ass, but. Alright, good. This is it?
That's one of them. Obviously, there's a bunch more in there wrapped.
Wow.
What?
Are you kidding me?
What'd you get?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? You serious?
What'd you get?
No! Are you kidding me?
What'd you get?
I love you! Oh my God!
What'd you get?
Why am I about to cry? Oh my God!
It's only a couple games.
Oh no!
What else is there?
Oh, sorry, my stomach is nasty.
Open the
It's
rest.
gross.
You
But-
look, you can roll in the games. What else is in there?
Yes! Yay! I'm like crazy right now. Yay, I can work out! Work out! Yay!
Try to keep it the long ways, because if not, it's
My gift isn't as good as this. This is
There's still a couple more things in there.
Hey.
Yeah, I actually had to jam that back in there. You might have to pull that.
Yo. Yeah. Why'd you do that? Why could you just give the...
Because if you open one of them, it would have gave everything else away.
You said, I can see you sitting there like...
She was just saying how she wants to save. She was just saying she wants to save up to get this.
Yes, I just said it. I just said it. That's so weird.
When'd you say that?
Hour ago?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Well, you said just, I thought maybe like in the last few days or something.
Yeah, before too. I've been saying it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You listen.
Now you see why I was so excited for you to open it?
Yeah. Yeah. Perfect gift. You're the best. This is what's why it was so heavy.
I think you have an idea what that is.
Yeah. The first thing I saw, I was like, oh. That's just nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The end. Bye-bye.